Hi there! In today's video, I'll show you how to check if your AirPods 4 are original or not. Let's get started. So we have two ways how to do it. First one is we would need to make sure that they are connected to our phone and then go to the settings. As a next step, open the tab with the name of your earbuds and scroll to the end of this page until you'll find the serial number. And as a next step, we would need to take the box and find the serial number with some barcodes and check if the serial number is the same like on the box or not. And if they're not fitting, they may be a problem. And also 100% option is to copy the serial number and go to the official Apple check coverage site. And if you would be able to see information about the date purchase, my congratulations, your headphones are original. And this is it for today. I hope this video was helpful for you and thank you for watching.